Today we're going to do a cat challenge. And my name is Branson, and first off we're gonna have a race from this side to that side. This one's Pepper, and this one's Tiger. We're gonna have a race from this end to the towel to that end.
I don't think it'll work.
This one just goes off this side usually. Okay, ready, set, go. First to that side.
So they're running off. Oh, he's actually doing it.
It's not a he, they're both she.
Yeah, they're whatever.
Go.
Go.
You can't do that.
Peter.
First one off the towel. Yeah, first one anywhere off the towel.
Do you see my sister? She was trying.
I got 8
she
out of us, and it's still like that's like.
She was trying to do a YouTube video, but it didn't actually work. It didn't work. So.
That's how they call it. Okay.
Ignore my sister, okay? She's just.
Oh! She have a winner.
She's mad because she didn't get to do the video. There, to brag.
I'm better than you.
Don't listen to her.
Seriously? You want to go? Let's go show our pool. Let's go show
Okay. Look at our pool. Look at
it might not be perfect because my daddy didn't put that much chemicals in it yet. That's why it's greenish.
so that
We're
pool
gonna
is green.
try to put some chemicals in it.
If you look at it right, I'll have to show you.
Get the camera out of the. No, don't do that.
Okay. See my sister. Look, I mean, guys, this would be the end for today. I'll see y'all later. Bye.